A Nashville convenience store installs a Naloxone vending machine. Aldi plans to open more than 200 stores in 2025, and Walmart announces plans to remodel more than 650 stores in 47 states. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top stories from Supermarket News and CSP Daily News. I'm Supermarket News Editor Tim Inkelbarger.
And I'm CSP Executive Editor Hannah Hammond.
Giant Eagle is partnering with pharmacy benefits management company and Pyrex Health to create a national network of pharmacy chains and benefit plans sponsors called AlliRx. The new entity would be the first national pharmacy care network designed specifically for pharmacy and grocery retailers. AlliRx will leverage technology in an effort to provide pharmacy-friendly PBM services. The AlliRx network will also offer a customer loyalty program that enables supermarket pharmacy chains to reward patients with coupons for healthy food purchases when they adhere to their medication therapies.
EG America locations are installing mobile device trade-in kiosks, which allow customers to recycle used smartphones for cash in partnership with Eco ATM. Customers can safely and securely turn in their devices regardless of condition in minutes, the company said. The kiosks examine, grade, and price each device. If the price is accepted, payment is dispensed and the device is then refurbished or recycled.
Aldi plans to open more than 225 stores in 2025, marking the most store openings in a single year for the German discount grocer. On Thursday, the grocery retailer entered the Las Vegas market for the first time, debuting 2 new locations. The stores opened at 621 Mark Street in Henderson, Nevada, and at 2106 West Craig Road in North Las Vegas. A third store is set to open in May at Rainbow Boulevard and Arby Avenue.
Casey's is leveraging Intel Agree, an AI-powered contract lifecycle management platform, to manage its contracts. Casey's will leverage Intel Agree's generative AI assistant, Sage Assist, to streamline and scale contract operations across the organization.
Walmart announced earlier this year that it plans to remodel more than 650 stores across 47 states and Puerto Rico. On Wednesday, the retail giant provided more specifics about the initiative. The Bentonville, Arkansas-based retailer said the refresh will follow its Store of the Future concept. Updates will include bold signage and redesigned displays to more effectively showcase merchandise, expanded departments and product selection, increased capacity for online pickup and delivery, and changes to pharmacy layouts such as wider aisles, private screening rooms, and dedicated checkout areas.
Outside of a convenience store, customers typically can find an ice chest, propane tanks, and maybe some firewood. At a Twice Daily in Nashville, they will now find something different, a Naloxone vending machine. Naloxone is an inhaled medication used to reverse an opioid overdose while it's happening. In about a week, the vending machine outside the C-store had already been restocked 3 times.
Sales of organic products accelerated at their fastest pace in 4 years in 2024, driven by increasing consumer demand for healthful foods and foods that are free from pesticides and certain additives, according to the Organic Trade Association. The OTA estimated that organic sales were up 5.2% last year, more than doubling the 2.4% pace of conventional grocery sales. The OTA projected compound annual sales growth of 5.1% for organic products through 2029.
Philip Morris International will not sell its U.S. cigar business, the tobacco company said in reporting its first quarter earnings on Wednesday. For U.S. cigars, following a thorough review and evaluation of strategic options and taking the current environment into consideration, PMI has decided not to pursue a sale or separation of the business at this time, the tobacco company said. PMI acquired its cigar unit in 2022 when it purchased Stockholm-based Swedish Match, which has U.S. headquarters in Richmond, Virginia.
A convenience store's curb appeal is more important than ever. This insight comes from Jen Rastetter of GPM Investments, who spoke at CSP's recent Dispensed Beverages Forum. In light of declining C-store transactions, Rastetter said retailers looking to gain market share should be aware that curb appeal is one of the first things people look for. He added that over the next 12 to 18 months, GPM Investments will be focusing on the appeal of its stores. And that'll do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News and Supermarket News. I'm Tim Inkelbarger.
And I'm Hannah Hammond. Have a great day.